Welcome to this explainer. We're jumping right into how you can check your Arkansas WIC balance directly from your phone. If you want to save time and completely skip that dreaded checkout anxiety at the grocery store, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's be real for a second. We've all been there, right? You're standing at the register. Your items are on the belt. There's a line forming behind you, and you're just silently praying you have enough WIC balance for everything. It is incredibly stressful. It used to mean hoarding those miles-long paper receipts just to keep track. But today, your smartphone is your secret weapon. It gives you instant peace of mind and literally revolutionizes how you plan your grocery runs. So let's dive into exactly how this works.
Here is our roadmap for today. We're going to cover how Arkansas WIC has gone mobile, getting your digital setup ready, a quick step-by-step balance check, some app troubleshooting and alternatives, practical shopping tools, and finally, a look at security.
All right, Section 1. Arkansas WIC goes mobile. As a super quick refresher, the WIC program provides totally essential nutritional support for pregnant women, new parents, and kids under 5. We're talking specific, healthy foods, milk, eggs, whole grains, baby formula, the works. But here's the catch. Because the program grants specific quantities of these items rather than just a flat cash value, knowing exactly how many ounces of cereal or jars of baby food you actually have left is absolutely crucial for managing your household budget. Now, the tech behind your Arkansas eWIC card is actually kind of fascinating. Unlike regular SNAP cards that use a magnetic stripe to talk to a central database over the internet, your Arkansas WIC card is an offline smart card. That means your benefit balances live physically right there on the little microchip on the front of the card. So when you check out, the register calculates everything locally. It's fantastic for security, but it's exactly why syncing that balance to a mobile app can sometimes be a bit tricky, and why you might occasionally see a slight lag.
Moving right along, Section 2, preparing your digital setup.
Before we get to the actual balance check, let's gather the 4 things you need to get this set up smoothly. First, grab your physical eWIC card because you'll need that 16-digit number right on the front. Second, you need your household zip code. Third, the date of birth of an active WIC participant in your home. And finally, a working smartphone with internet access. Having that physical card in your hand right now is literally the most important step here.
Okay, Section 3. Step-by-step balance check. So you've got your info ready to go. Let's walk through how to actually see those benefits on your screen. It's super straightforward. Step 1, hit up your app store and download My Arkansas WIC. Step 2, open it up, go to Settings and tap Registration. Step 3, just punch in that 16-digit card number, your zip code, and the date of birth. Finally, Step 4, tap the Benefits tab. Boom. Right there on your screen, you'll see exactly what you have for both current and future benefits. Oh, and here's a massive pro tip for you. You can actually register multiple accounts on the app. So if you're a foster parent managing benefits for more than one child, you can link them all right there in one handy place.
Let's look at Section 4, app troubleshooting and alternatives.
Now, because we're dealing with that unique offline smart chip we talked about earlier, the official app can sometimes be a little buggy. Some folks have run into session login failures or even a weird glitch where the card number entry field is totally hidden. If this happens to you, please do not panic. Your benefits are perfectly safe on your physical card, and you have some really solid alternatives to access your data right away. If the app's registration is completely bugging out on you, just bypass it entirely. Open your phone's browser and go to the mywic.us web portal. It taps into the exact same system. Or let's say you have zero internet access or the app is lagging. You can just call the automated hotline. And if the app's barcode scanner is acting up in the store, no sweat. You can just type the code in manually. Speaking of that hotline, this is a real game changer. The number is 1-844-469-3264. Seriously, take a second and save this in your phone right now. It's also printed on the back of your eWIC card. This is an automated, free hotline that runs 24/7, and it supports 19 different languages. So if you ever lose your cell signal in the middle of the grocery aisle, this number is going to be your absolute best friend for a real-time balance check. Okay, Section 5, practical WIC shopping tools. When the My Arkansas WIC app is running smoothly, it's not just a balance checker. It literally transforms your phone into a personal shopping assistant. My favorite feature is the Food Finder with a UPC barcode scanner. You just point your phone camera at a barcode, and the app instantly tells you if that specific item is WIC allowed and if it fits your current benefits. It completely takes the guesswork out of the cheese or bread aisle. On top of that, it has a fruit and vegetable calculator, a cereal calculator to track those specific scanned ounces, and a store locator for finding approved vendors nearby.
Quick tip though, if you're maybe using an older phone and the camera scanner gets a focus error, which, happens to the best of us, just use your phone's keypad. Tap Enter UPC/PLU and manually punch in the numbers under the barcode. It does the exact same thing and keeps you moving right along without a hitch.
And finally, Section 6, Security and Final Disclaimer. All these digital tools are fantastic, but keeping your family's benefits safe is the top priority here. Think of your eWIC card exactly like a bank debit card. Guard that 4-digit PIN with your life, and definitely don't write it on the card itself. Keep in mind, only the official authorized representative can actually change the PIN. If the card goes missing, call that 1844 number immediately to freeze it. Just know there's a mandatory 3-day waiting period before you can grab a replacement at the clinic. And hey, please watch out for phishing scams. If you get a random text asking for your card details, just ignore it. As a quick heads up, all the program guidelines and app info we've covered are accurate as of August 22nd, 2026. Things do shift around at the state level sometimes, so always double check with the Arkansas Department of Health or your local WIC clinic if you ever aren't sure about a specific detail. Well, we've covered a ton of ground today. From understanding how that offline microchip works to bypassing pesky app bugs, you are totally equipped to make your grocery trips an absolute breeze. I really encourage you to download the My Arkansas WIC app or bookmark that web portal right now. Save that 1844 number while you're at it. Take control of your benefits and ditch the checkout line anxiety for good. So what does this all mean for you? It means more time focusing on providing fantastic nutrition for your family. Which of these digital tools are you going to try out on your very next grocery run? Get in there, start exploring, and thanks for joining me for this explainer.